Within the Cork platform, you can install software using a package manager by harnessing the power of your existing RMM. For the supported RMMs, you can find an endpoint on the clients page and click Install Software. Select your favorite package manager. I'll use Winget. And all you need to do is find the package you want to install. Let's say I want to install Mozilla Thunderbird. Go ahead and select that. And I could run it immediately, or if I wish, I could download the installer manually and run it myself. I'll go ahead and run that. And in a brief moment or two, this package should start installing on the endpoint you selected. Currently, we support ConnectWise Automate, Kaseya VSA X, Data RMM, Ninja RMM, and Microsoft Intune for software deployment automation.